In this session, we are going to learn about reading works of art. Sayyid Haider Raza. Sayyid Haider Raza, popularly known as Raza, was a renowned Indian artist. Simple geometric shapes, striking color combinations, cultivating compositions. These are some of the characteristic features of his paintings, and so are the colors blue and orange. You will find them in almost all his paintings. None of his paintings depict lifelike human figures or copies of scenes from his environment. His paintings belong to the abstract style of paintings. Such paintings are not inspired by any external factor. They originate when the artist tries to peep into his own inner mind. They are made by arranging circles, triangles, squares, rectangles, lines, dots in different compositions using effective techniques of applying paint, attractive color combination, achieving balance in some places and creating imbalance in other places. Raza found his paintings through his study of Indian art and its heritage, cultural context, and philosophy. His pictures seem to radiate peace and life at the same time. We realize that the painting is a visible form of very deep thought. Very few abstract paintings communicate with the viewers as much as Raza's do. Raza was born in a small village in Madhya Pradesh. He began to paint from the age of 12. He studied art at the Chitrakala Mahavidyalaya at Nagpur and then at the JJ School of Art in Mumbai. Later he went to France to study art. After a few years, he decided to settle in France. His wife was French. He won many national and international awards. He was honored with all the three Padma awards: Padma Shri, Padma Bhushan, and Padma Vibhushan. With all the awards and honors, his paintings were exploring a spiritual, metaphysical path. Gradually, the Bindu or the point came to be the core of his paintings. He described his work in these words: "My work is my own inner experience and involvement with the mysteries of nature and form, which is expressed in color, line, space, and light." Sometimes, an artist's thoughts appear to be too complex or even complicated when they are expressed through words. For him, the effective medium of communication is his work, his paintings. Raza had great creativity. His paintings are very expressive. This great artist passed away on 23rd of July 2016 at the age of 94, leaving behind a legacy of sensitive paintings achieved through extraordinary compositions of lines and colors that depict extraordinary compositions. Friends, we'll see the explanation of this text in the next video. So keep watching our videos. Thank you.